We've improved how pricing is done in JobPro, including the ability to create as many pricing categories as required in the Products and Services module, including price breaks. So for example, let's go into Setup first and click on Lists and Menus. So we'll go into where we set up price categories. In here, you can create as many price categories as you like. Previously, in older versions of JobPro, there was just pricing A, B, and C. Now you can enter in anything you like in here, and you'll set one of the price categories to be the default. Now what that means is that every time you create a new product or service, it auto enters that price category on the product, and you can also add additional price categories for products as well. So if we click on Return, and let's have a look at a Products module. And here we've got a product, and when this was created, it auto entered the retail category. So you can put in your sell price up here, and if you like, you can also put in price breaks for this price category. So we'd select this here, and we can then add price breaks on the right hand side. So if you're doing that, you'd actually leave the manually entered price blank, and we create a few price breaks. Okay, and we'll say one more. 21 to whatever number at 120. Now we can also add additional price categories here. Click on the plus button, and we can then select, for example, trade, and we're now editing that on the right hand side as well. So you can either leave the price breaks blank and manually enter in a figure, or you leave this figure blank here and you put in price breaks on the right hand side. And then you can also specify what's the default price category for this product when you're selling it. The next thing that you would do with price categories is that you can assign, if you like, a price category to customers. So example, we'll go into companies, and here we're looking at a customer, and on the products tab for a customer, you can link in a price category so that every time you sell a product to that customer, whether it's an organization or an individual, it'll use the relevant price category for that product. And you can also assign a discount percentage as well across the board. Now, another feature that was already in the system was that you can put in specific pricing for the customer. So you can add a specific product, and let's do search for anything here, and we'll pick a product then. And in here then we can also specify price breaks specific to this customer, specific to this product, or you can just put in one unit price that will always be used for that customer, for that product.